Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about hemp seeds. So hemp seeds have actually only been legal in Australia for a couple of months. And let me tell you, I have been loving them. So the first recipe is an overnight oats recipe. Shout out to one of my subscribers named Bobby, because he actually requested I make a keto-friendly overnight oats recipe a while back. Here you go, Bobby. I hope you like it. And the second recipe I'm going to be making today are no-bake hemp seed bars. Super easy, so delicious. These have been my go-to snack for the last couple of weeks. So I hope you guys enjoy them as much as I do. And with that, let's get into the video. We're going to begin with this overnight oats recipe. So you will need half a cup of hemp seeds, half a cup of coconut milk, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, half a teaspoon of vanilla bean extract or half a tablespoon of cacao powder, depending on if you want it vanilla or chocolate, and a handful of crushed walnuts. I don't know what I was thinking here, just that didn't look as cool as I thought it would, so just forget I did that. Okay, so I'm going to be making 1 vanilla and 1 chocolate. Hemp seeds are a great source of both omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. They are high in protein and high in healthy fats. They are also high in fiber and amino acids. So I'm just adding all the ingredients together and then I'm going to mix them up. So you can see the seeds are already absorbing the coconut milk. It will get thicker when you leave it overnight. If you want it to be a bit creamier, add a little bit more coconut milk, or you can always add it in the morning. And there are the two, just before we put them in the fridge. Make sure to seal them up. And then leave them in the fridge overnight, and they will be ready to go in the morning. Top with whatever you would normally top oats with. So I just used some strawberries here. You could also add some cinnamon on top if you like it a little bit sweeter, maybe some honey or some maple syrup. Other fresh berries would also be great, blueberries, blackberries, and enjoy. The next recipe we're going to be making are these no-bake hemp seed bars. You will need 1 cup of hemp seeds, 1 cup of almonds, 1/3 cup of nut butter, 1/4 cup of melted coconut oil, and some cacao nibs. So throw the almonds in the blender quickly just to break them up a little. And then we're going to add all the ingredients to the bowl. So this was the nut butter I was using. It was a honey peanut butter. So because there was some honey in this peanut butter, I decided not to add any maple syrup or extra sweetener. But you could also add 1/3 cup of maple syrup. So it should be sticking together. And then line a tin with baking paper. and really press the mixture down. Now we're going to put these in the freezer. Leave them in the freezer for at least an hour. And then take them out of the tin and cut them up into bars or squares. And that's it. Store them in the fridge or in your freezer. They're great for lunches, for your kids, or for yourself. And I wasn't joking when I said they were super delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!